Alright, what's up guys? Much earlier stream today because I'm going to go hang out with my girlfriend later tonight. I just wanted to get this done so I can go do some other work. I actually don't know how long I'll be able to stream for, unironically. Hopefully an hour, but I left my charger at my house, so like I'm charging my computer off of a really shitty USB-C charger that like just can't keep up. So it's quite funny, but I have 18% and it's on the charger. Actually, I should grab this thing over here. Shit, what's up, John? So man. Okay. What's up, Caesar? What's up, Cheese? Here we got. Let me see if that helps. We got an earlier stream. I got some stuff to do later tonight, so I thought, why not just get it out of the way. Yeah, I also thought it might be cool for Caesar. Write in Go tonight? I am going to write some Go. I might also look into some HTMX tonight, because we have the basics for poker. There's some things obviously I want to like do in regards to what am I saying? There's some things that I want to do for edge cases in the poker game that I don't really have, like do min bets, do stuff like that. Oh shit, Caesar, for real? Dude, fucking congrats, man. My boy got employed. Proud of you. Why does it say this battery is not charging? Man. Oh, it says it's charging up here. Huh. Okay, interessante. So if I do that, sorry, I gotta figure out this whole battery situation thing. Yeah, but regardless, good shit, man. I am very glad that at least someone in the community. How's the job hunt? Caesar, don't ask me that question, you motherfucker. No, I'm kidding. Give me 1 second, I gotta find an extension cord. Sorry, this is quite scuffed. The job hunt is, what's a good word for hunting? Elusive. I have still like not heard it back from like fucking anyone. I don't know. I hate to say this, but I have kind of given up. I've been like applying to 3 or 4 positions a day, reaching out to people on LinkedIn. I haven't heard back from a single person I've cold DM'd, which is like kind of upsetting, to be honest. Which is like fair. I don't expect people to go out of their way, but you know, still. Cybersecurity. I just don't have the skill set for cybersecurity. Like, I'm not practiced in that, if you know what I mean. Like, that requires some certifications and stuff. So, I might try for next year, but we'll see. As of now, I'm still looking for, like, software engineering stuff. Sure, what's up, Sam? So early, yeah, I got some stuff to do later tonight. Alright, let's see if this can hold battery. I hope so. Alright, let's get after this. You're given a 0 indexed 2D integer matrix grid of size n by n with values in a range of 1 to n squared. Each integer appears exactly once, except a, which appears exactly twice, and b, which is missing. The task is to find the repeating and missing numbers. Interesting. Okay, 2 is less than the grid length. 50 for all x. Okay. Solve LeetCode medium in 30 minutes is the only certification you need. Brother, you saw me in that interview firsthand. Even if I get an interview, I'm probably gonna fumble it. Not really cut out for this shit, man. All right, I don't know if this is right, but my brain first goes to like I know you could do a sum. Like there's like a math equation that I vaguely forget, but it's like x times x minus 1 over 2 or something like that for like the sum of integers from 1 to x. So my brain wanted to go to that because then you'd like know the missing value. Oh no, you wouldn't, because some things are double. I mean, okay, let me preface this with saying there is the obvious solution, which is just keep track of what numbers you've seen. So I'm trying to think outside of that. The thing I'm trying to think through is often with like repeated numbers, you could XOR stuff. So I'm thinking maybe there's an XOR thing, but at that point you're like going through and iterating anyways. You're just making the problem a little bit harder on yourself. So, Bree, you seen what the Lakers are doing? Dude, that brother's cooking. Spoke to L6 today. He'd pass an intern who got to brute force. For the P1. I appreciate it, Sam. I do appreciate it. And I'd like to think that. But I don't know. I feel like I did not give good behavioral interview. I mean, I didn't give, like, good behavioral answers. I need to, like, unironically, if I ever get an interview, I need to hard prep the behavioral stuff, because all the other previous interviews I've had have more been, like, a conversation-esque. That was, like, the first time, which is kind of funny to say this, but the first time where it's, like, you literally just, like, ask, name a time when blank, blank, and blank. Like, all the other ones I've had are, like, tell me about NU Food. Like, what is it as a project? Who are you as a person? Like, what are you interested in? Less of, like, give an exact time. Because I kind of just tried to freeball stuff, and I hated that. I feel like that was like such a weak point. Because like I'm a good talker. I feel like I'm pretty sociable, but it's just different. Yeah, the question bank is definitely what I need to just hone in on. Wait, Sam. Also, didn't you have interviews this week, or is that next week? Because I know you were also prepping for some quant stuff, right? If so, how did that go? Had Palantir today? Oh shit. Went well, I hope. Is that Citadel? Citadel quant, I mean, that's hard. That's fair. Study up more. Get as much prep as you can. Good luck, big dog. Believe in you. I really like. I've been trying to think of this in the back of my mind. I don't really know something where you'd be able to not traverse the whole thing. I'm really trying to think. Simply because, like, no matter the operation, like, I feel like you could, the optimization you could do is not make, like, another set. I'm just like, yeah, I mean, you can very easily do this in one pass. Like, O of n times n and then O of n space is, like, ridiculously easy. But I feel like you might be able to do an O of n by n space. I mean, O of n by n time with like no extra space. Do I believe that actually? Because I feel like you might be able to do something with XOR, but I also don't know. I mean, regardless, let's do the basic thing of is this the syntax? I feel like I always forget this. Or is it this? I think it's that. Whatever. My two loops, isn't it isn't it 2D? I'm not going crazy, right? Wait, what, Caesar? Am I reading this wrong? It's n by n. Am I tripping? Somebody tell me if I'm tripping. I think you're tripping. What is the... I feel like it's like n times n minus 1 over 2 and plus 1. I always forget that. Oy, what the fuck am I typing? Guess who doesn't trust order of operations? This is instead gonna do just a bunch of that. Okay, so So A is the repeated. Oh wait, no, sum is gonna be wrong. Sum should only do down here, maybe. Because we don't want to double count the repeat. I wonder if this will work. Oh. Interesting. Okay. I wonder if this is actually going to work. We'll see. Wait, why the fuck do I mog people? I'm trying to think. There has to be a way to not do O event space. I feel like there just has to be. Right? Could you keep a map? A map is additional space too, though. Like, I just feel like why the fuck did I just get a notification from YouTube that says 1,000 subscribers? I hit that like 3 weeks ago. I am almost at 3,000 watch time hours, which means I could possibly get monetized soon, which is quite cool. Quite cool. Damn, my battery's getting drained, dude. Huh. What can I do about that? Wait, this is just gonna have to be a shorter stream. I got 15%, and for some reason my little USB-C cable cannot keep up. Let me see if my roommate has a better USB-C cable, because he offered it to me earlier, but I think he took it. I think he took it with him. Damn it. All right, no charger for me. All right, let's think through this for, I don't know, 2 more minutes. Because obviously, like, this is so intuitive. It's like, I know it's an easy, but I feel like there has to be an optimization here. What's up, 5? I mean, like, a small optimization could be just breaking here. Chat disconnected. How the fuck did I disconnect? I don't know. Is the stream live? Can someone tell me if I'm still alive? How do you break out of the outer loop? Okay, cool. Oh, what the fuck is this? Else continue break. That's fucking so hard, actually. Because instead of this, I can just do No, I'd have to traverse anyway for some, so it doesn't really matter, actually. Oh, whatever. I'm not going to think about it. Let's see if there's an O of 1 space. No. Of n log n. Interesting. How? This is not log n. What? Dumbass fucking solution. Alright, whatever. I don't give a fuck. Alright. I got 15%. Let's do some poker. Where we ended off last time, I was doing some fucked things with next index to keep track of stuff. What I tried to do in my political science class while not paying attention was change next index, or like change how most recent raise works, and I didn't test it at all. So, no clue if this is gonna work. Let's try it. Connect, connect, connect. Join table, join table, join table. Look at us go. Start the game. Okay, so the way this should go is far left is small blind, big blind, under the gun. Okay, so action should be on under the gun. So check, check, check should give us community cards, but it just doesn't. And why? Index at a range -1. When is something ever -1? Huh? In advanced set positions. Okay. What line? $140. Wait, in Go does mod not come up? What the fuck? Okay. Sure. I didn't know that. Can I just import math? So I'm assuming there's a, I'm hoping there's a math.absolute value. Cannot use, oh, so I need to cast this to an end. Bro. Let me restart. Needs to be a float, I see. Okay, then we need to make this thing a float. What, 64 maybe? Okay. Hello? Bro, sometimes I just get pissed off at like how bad I am at these motions. Okay, so restart. Start the game, go to under the gun, check, check, check. Boom! Cool. Which means we advanced the round because we got community cards. So now the action should start on the small blind. So we go check, check, check. Should get a new card. Did we get a new card? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, we got way too many cards. Why did we get way too many cards? Wait, only the turn was dealt. Wait, am I stupid? 1, 2, 3. Bro, I can't count. Oh my god. I need to build out a better... Is this HTMX? No, this is just raw HTML. We'll HTMX later. But that's actually what I was about to say. I need to make a better UI for this because I can't read this shit at all. Okay, which is cool. Because then we go check, check. Oh, that was not good. I never checked here, but I got... So the turn was dealt. Player 1 checks an advanced turn. Player 2 checks. Why is the river dealt? Yeah, do I have valid action? The thing that I'm not, like just making sure the current playing index is the player ID. The thing that I'm getting wrong that I fixed last time, but I didn't like the way I fixed it, which is the stupidest fucking thing. Don't ever do that. Don't change something just because you don't like it. It worked. Is like the turn index thing. Because, okay, let me put this shit here so I don't have this on my lap. Damn, I only have 13% on my laptop. All right, this shit is going to die. Anyways, so if it's not the start, and if the most recent player ID is not this, and the thing is the most recent player, we advance the betting round. So in here, we do set positions. And set positions, like, should be fine. Let me more closely walk through like what is happening in these logs. Where the fuck did all my... Hello? There we go. Need to more closely walk through this with the logs. So we start. It seemed fine if to go check, check, check. So we're here. So player 3 checks, then player 1, then player 2, and then the flop is dealt. That's all fine. That's all right. If we then start with a small blind, so the current turn is player 1. Player 1 checks. Yeah, see, that's just wrong. We shouldn't get a third card. So the turn is dealt because current turn index is 1. Okay, so outside of post flop, we're saying that the small blind index is the big blind minus 1. So it should be, this is the small blind. In advanced turn. Dude, holy shit, can I type? Actually, what I want to print this. Oh. So check, check, check. So now we go to small blind. Small blind should check. So why is the most recent raise player 2? So after pre-flop, we change it to flop and we go show flop cards, which is fine. We then set the positions. We should fall into this case. Oh, why am I saying the most recent is the dealer index? Which actually, no, that should be fine. Because this guy's, the middle guy is our big blind. So we go -2, which means oh, is that wrong? Because minus, that's why. The absolute value is fucking me. Shit. Because if you think about it, this is index 1. We're doing -2. So we're getting to -1. But -1, we're turning absolute value. Oh, motherfucker. Why can't Go do Python stuff where -1 into an array gets you the end of it? Oh. Yeah, it so does, but tests are boring. No, I'm kidding. I definitely should write tests, but you feel me, big dog? Sometimes it is what it is. Let's see if this works. Will that still not work though? Because if we think about it, big blind index will be -1. I should probably read what this is. Or YOLO and try it, because that's what I'm in the mood for today. And nobody can stop me. Or it's not my turn, so we go check, check, check. Hmm? God blessed. Oh, I so should write tests. I don't want to. Math imported. Oh, it's because the build failed. All right, let's run it back. Okay, so we got our things correctly. Now let's see if we go check, check, check. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Check, check, check should give us last cards. We go check, check, check again. Should give us a winner. Yeah, baby. We get winners, and then the game gets automatically restart with the whole cards broadcast. Very cool. Same project? Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. Wipe all debug prints. These aren't debug. I should probably message.content. I should probably. Use Axiom for logging. Actually, don't know what that is. I am thinking of building out, trying to figure out the HTML, or like a basic. Oh god, that's just gonna be so painful though. Let's try to look at some HTMX. Do the layout right now. I don't know how to do any of this. Use V0 to whip up something. I was low-key thinking about that. Because like I could, but also HTMX seems cool. Like I could just try to figure some shit out with this. Okay. This anchor tag tells the browser when a user clicks on this link, issue an HTTP GET. That's quite cool. John, are you like the HTMX goat? Because this might be bad. All right. My HTMX goat. How do you suggest? I want very basics UI of just like each of these people to like, I don't know. Do a screen with some divs and buttons. Do you think I should restart from here or like keep this? Because like this is my index.html now. It's like very basic. It's like some button on clicks. And then I just made it like a logger. Or I low-key could just use ChatGPT, get this converted to HTMX, and then just try to figure it out through that. I'm like not opposed to that idea because I don't have that much time tonight. AI will suck at HTMX. See, but I will also suck at HTMX. I'll keep reading this though, because I like honestly, I'm not that good at raw like HTML myself. So. Holy shit, my computer is at 11%. I don't know even if I wanted to how much time I'll be able to work on this. At least on stream. OBS is nuking my stuff. Okay. HTMX extends and generalizes the code idea of HTML as hypertext. Now any element, not just anchors and forms, not going to issue. Okay, cool. Now any event, not just. Oh, so am I going to have to give it back HTML instead of my JSON? Oh. How the fuck am I going to do that, actually? No JSON, as in no JSON allowed? Okay, so I'm probably just going to do this. Core of HTMX is a set of attributes that allows you to issue AJAX requests. Okay. By default, requests are triggered by a natural event of an element. Here's a div that posts to mouse. Entered. See, the thing is, how does this work with web? Ooh, I was about to say, how does this work with WebSockets? Yeah, I do. Okay. First thing you should do is to learn the switch between various pages of HTML. I so should do that. My battery is at 8%. I just don't know if I have time to do that. Do they have like, okay, that's some examples. Maybe I can run through a quick example. Yeah, no, like this USB charger that I'm using to charge, like, is meant for like headphones. My computer's getting nuked by OBS and like 4 Firefox things being open at the same time. Make the front end a different project. Do we concur? Because I'll do that. I've kind of been a mono repo guy. Expose it so you can play with it. Based. No, I mean, once I get this thing up, like, I'll deploy it. I want to play with my friends. Like, that's the end goal of this. Is, like, my friends and I, like, play, poker. Like, online sometimes. I think it'd be cool to, like, use my own site to play poker. This returns a form that can be used to edit. Wait, what is this? You guys are saying words that I don't know, but I'll look into them. I will preface this. I've never done like this stuff before, so it's going to take me a while. This might be annoying to look at. This demo shows how to implement a common pattern where rows are selected and then bulk updated. So we have some forms, some basic HTML. The server will bulk update the statuses based on the value of the checkboxes. We respond with small toast messages about the update. If you want to pass links, YouTube doesn't allow them. Put it in the Discord and I'll check it out. All right, see you, Cheese. Thanks for stopping by, man. Okay. Okay. I unfortunately have to end stream. My computer's just fucking getting nuked right now for some reason. I have no clue why. I have 5% left. I am not gonna be able to keep streaming. That really sucks. I'm gonna ask my mom to drop off my charger sometime soon, so I can actually do this. I'm gonna read a lot of HTMX tonight. So hopefully tomorrow I have like my head wrapped around some stuff, so it's not just me fumbling about John. My fault. That'll be a good goal. A good goal will be getting some UI done for this poker project. I think that's a good goal for tomorrow. Yeah, I hope you guys all have a wonderful night. I'll see you tomorrow for day 81. Shameless plug time. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Join the Discord. Help me in my job search journey. Yippee. Seems difficult at first, but I promise you will like... Yeah, no, I probably will. It's like, I mean, I hate all things at the beginning in terms of a learning curve, but I'll get there eventually. All right, guys. Good night. Peace out. See you guys.